So today we already discussed that an array can be represented by using a pointer. So what we already showed that if we want to access some element, say if A is an array and I is the corresponding index, if we want to access that particular element, that means that can be accessed by using A plus I, where A is the base address of an array, I is the corresponding index, and you know that can be already written like that I plus A because plus is commutative, and you can also write IE. That means whether you write these four quantity, that will give you the same results. So now here in this particular problem, this S is an array and this will store DEBA. Since this is an array and we are storing a string, so as you know in C, that for storing a string, the last character is already been embedded with the null character, and that is the index 0, 1, that is the index 2, that is index 3, that is index 4. And since it is started with I equals to 0, and since this is written as I, what does it mean? That is same as if we write like that, this is not equals to null. Whether you write like that or you just write as I, that will give you the same meaning. That means this for loop will run, which is starting from 0 and up to the null character. So now we can write, we are printing the value of Si. So what is Si? Now I at that particular position. So this is of I equals to 0. So it will Si will print D, and of course star S plus I, that will also print D because they will print the same thing. That will also print D, that will also print D. Now this is a backslash n, that means it goes to the next line. I is incremented and now the value of I is equals to 1 because you are using the for loop. That means the next character is E, E, E and E, and I is incremented like that and it will run up to the null character. So the output of this program, it looks like that. It will print the same thing. So the output is this for that particular program: D D D D, E E E E, B B B B, and A A A A.